All right, so we're gonna do this unboxing real quick. Am I recording yet?
We are live, brother.
Live? All right, so we're gonna unbox this the sweatsuit that's got from my man Boss, right? Big on successful stuff. Like this how the box come. Pretty clean. He got the sides all taped up. So let's see what it do. Hey, come on, bring it in a little bit closer. You know what I'm saying? So you can see what's on that thing. You know what I mean? All right, big on successful stuff. Gotta cover up my address. I don't want y'all motherfuckers pulling up on me. Yeah, now let's pull up on me. You know that little boy be? Pull up on me.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
All right, boss. We're gonna see what this sweatsuit hitting about. And my man, what do you want? Not right now. Not right now, I'm busy. I'm gonna get cussed out later about that probably.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
But damn, boss. You closed this motherfucker up good, didn't you? Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Boss got the paper mache. Is that what it's called? Paper mache? Papier, pepe. Alright. So come with the wax paper. Come with the socks. And yo, these socks right here, I wore a pair of them already. These motherfuckers here? I told you. Alright. So you got the shirt. Okay. You got the pants. Alright. You got the thick. What the? Dr. Green ain't put nothing in here? Hey, boss, come on, man. How you gonna send me to get down without sending me to get down? Alright, let me see. The little quality. Got the little metal tips on it. Oh, yeah, they metal. Let's see what the pants do. Alright. Yeah. Look like they doing something. Let me see. There go the hoodie. Oh, it's a shirt, ain't a hoodie. Alright, this is what the front. Let's see what the back of this thing doing. Big on successful stuff. You understand me? Got the logo. Bigger than the motherfucker. Let me see. This joint, I think this joint cashmere. What is this made out of? I don't know. I still can't see. I think this thing cashmere. It got big on successful stuff going down the arm. Y'all see it? Going down the arm. Pants. We got zippered pockets. Ooh. Let me see if he put something in the... Boss, you ain't put nothing in the pockets for me neither? Man, what is you doing? All right, I guess I ain't a trusted value customer yet. Nothing in the pockets. I had to try. All right, nice drawstring on this thing though.
They always be asking me what I got on. Like,
Yeah. Hey, boss, man. This is what I'm gonna say. I want to say thank you, bruh. As soon as I rock him, socking, I'm gonna let you know. All right? Good looking, boss. Appreciate you, baby.